Synonym of modest, humble, largest fort in India, Chittorgarh Fort, famous dance Kathakali is from Kerala, who is known as the light of Asia, Gautam Buddha. What is the official residence of the Indian Prime Minister? 7 Lokman Road or Marg? Golden Handshake scheme in India is related with voluntary retirement scheme. When the Father's Day is celebrated, 19th June. National Statistics Day is celebrated on 29th June. International Tiger Day is celebrated on 29th July. Who invented bifocal lens? Benjamin Franklin. Who made cornflakes first? Kellogg's. Who made dynamite? Alfred B. Nobel. Who was founder of Sunga dynasty? Vishwamitra. Who prohibited tobacco? Jahangir. During the Mughal Empire, Kolaj was land annually cultivated. Gita Govinda was written by Jayadev. Synonym of mutilated, damaged. Who defeated Tipu Sultan? Lord Cornwallis. What is Vista Dome? A type of passenger car.